Komaki India has finally revealed its first electric cruiser bike, the Ranger. Komaki hasn't revealed any official specs and range the bike will offer, but the new bike is expected to have a range of 180 to 220 km on a single charge. The 72V 50Ah battery pack is also designed to support fast charging and expected to be powered by a 5000W BLDC hub motor. Looks-wise, the cruiser largely resembles the classic Harleys, especially the Harley-Davidson Softail Classic. Gets 3-pod headlamp unit mounted below the classic rounded instrument cluster finished in chrome. We will witness the maximum use of chrome all around the bike. Below is a large telescopic shock, the large chromed upper covers. On the sides, the Ranger gets traditional cruiser design. The battery is placed where the IC engines are installed, which is surrounded with a plastic covering. Another interesting yet weird addition is the fake exhaust. Komaki might have done this to minimize the odd gap around the rear wheel. The tan finished seats with chrome rivets gives the complete cruiser look to the bike. The rear two sports similar large mudguards and utility boxes placed on the either side like usual classic cruisers. The Ranger is finished in metallic black and large use of chrome all around the bike. On the feature front, the Ranger will offer cruise control, repair switch, reverse switch, advanced braking system and Bluetooth connectivity options. As the bike is officially unveiled, the price announcement is expected in coming days. Let's wait to witness how well built the Komaki Ranger will be and how the market responds to it. Thanks for watching.
Nice